Error 401 is an HTTP status code for authentication failure. Cash App uses this when it can't confirm your identity, often due to expired sessions, outdated app versions, or network problems. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Weak or unstable connections are a common cause of Error 401. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. VPNs and proxy servers can interfere with Cash App's authentication process. These tools route your internet traffic through different servers for privacy or to access restricted content, but they may block or alter Cash App's requests, causing Error 401 unauthorized. To troubleshoot this, temporarily disable your VPN or proxy and try accessing Cash App again. If the error resolves, you may need to adjust your VPN settings or use a different server that doesn't block Cash App. After logging back into Cash App, enable multi-factor authentication for enhanced security. MFA adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification beyond your password, such as a code sent to your phone or biometric authentication. This helps prevent 401 unauthorized errors that can occur due to session expirations or authentication issues. To enable MFA, open the Cash App and navigate to your profile. Look for the Privacy and Security section, then select Two-Step Verification. Choose your preferred method, such as SMS codes or biometric options, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. With MFA enabled, your Cash App account will have stronger security, reducing the likelihood of authentication errors like 401 unauthorized. This simple step can save you time and frustration in the future. Step 6 focuses on updating the Cash App to ensure you're using the latest version. Outdated apps can contain bugs that lead to authentication errors, like the 401 unauthorized code. Here's the Cash App logo for reference. To update, you need to visit your device's App Store. For iOS devices, open the App Store and check for updates. For Android, use the Google Play Store. These screenshots show how the stores look. On iOS, search for Cash App in the App Store and tap Update if a new version is available. On Android, go to My Apps and Games in the Play Store and update Cash App. For Android devices, start by opening your Settings app and navigating to Apps. Find Cash App in the list and tap on it. In the Cash App settings, select Storage to view app data options. On the storage screen, tap Clear Cache to remove temporary data that may be causing the error. First, try clearing the cache. This removes temporary files without affecting your login. If the error persists, you can clear app data, but you'll need to log back in afterwards. Remember, iOS devices don't have a direct cache clearing option like Android. If clearing the cache doesn't resolve the error, try reinstalling Cash App. This provides a completely fresh installation. On iOS, press and hold the app icon, tap Delete, then reinstall from the App Store. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, select Cash App, uninstall, then download again from Google Play. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps have resolved the Error 401 unauthorized issue, it's time to contact Cash App support directly. You can access support through the app by tapping your profile icon, selecting Support, and choosing Start a Chat for live assistance. Alternatively, visit cash.app/support on the web or email support@cash.app for further help. Cash App sessions typically last 24 to 48 hours. Inactivity can trigger Error 401. Regularly using the app helps maintain an active session. Cash App uses OAuth tokens for secure authentication between your device and their servers. When Error 401 occurs, it often means the token has expired or become invalid. The solution is to force a token refresh by logging out and logging back into the app. Cash App invests in user education through comprehensive in-app help centers that offer step-by-step guides for resolving common errors like 401 unauthorized. These resources are easily accessible within the app, helping users troubleshoot without external assistance. Additionally, pop-up notifications appear automatically when errors occur, providing immediate guidance and preventing user frustration. Cash App has also introduced feedback loops in recent updates, allowing users to report problems directly, which leads to quicker patches and improved support. By utilizing these educational tools, users can resolve most authentication issues independently, enhancing their overall experience with the app.